Hello and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know it has been a while since I posted my last video, but hey, I'm back. Okay, it has been 3 weeks, but hey, who cares? I hope you're doing fine, and we are going to talk about why printing your photos is a very good idea. A bit warm inside here, but we will get through this. So recently I printed my photos. I did that in a wonderful little coffee table book. I already did that before with prints, but usually I gave them away, but this one is just for me and I love it. I mean, when it arrived, I've been sitting here just going through the pages like 5 times. I know, I couldn't stop watching it, these pictures. Why? Because it looks delicious. It's just, you know, you sitting there, you remember the moments, you know, you look at this picture, you see every detail of this picture. You are just, wow, amazed. You are about to dive into this picture. Okay, maybe not, but yeah, probably you get what I mean. If not, it's okay. I mean, when you're going through Instagram, it's always like, yeah, okay, cool picture. I mean, I see it by myself. I'm always like, oh, okay, cool picture, like, cool picture, okay, like. But it's okay. I mean, those are not your pictures, but if you print your pictures, really do it. Just, I only can say, do it. You will be blown away, like sitting in front of this book, or even when you print it. It's a cool idea too, because you just put it on your wall and wow, you always look at your picture. That's like the best thing ever. I mean, for me, there's nothing better than seeing my pictures printed. It's like, what can I say? But this time I took a book because, I mean, you can put like all pictures you took last year or just the best pictures. And I mean, when you do that every year, you can see the development in your pictures. I mean, in 10 years, you might be looking back and think, oh, come on, I just take this coffee table book of mine, and you will see how your pictures developed over this time. I mean, this is just, wow, amazing. And yeah, you will see for yourself what development you did. And I mean, isn't that a great feeling? Yeah, print your pictures. That's actually everything I have to say about it. So I hope you like this little video, this little insight in my head about printing pictures. I hope I could inspire you a bit, that you will print your pictures. I can put into the description where I printed this one. It was Saal Digital, but you also can take like white wall. They are a little expensive, but the quality is just on point. Yeah, you also can take a cheaper one. That's okay too. I mean, all that matters is that you can look at your pictures. That's it. So I hope you have a great Sunday, and we will see us hopefully next week.